Grimselpass was just a warm-up. Today we met up with a couple of enthusiasts to drive the holy trinity of Swiss Alps. Grimselpass, Furkapass and Sustenpass. Now Furkapass is calling. Narrow cliffside roads, cars squeezing past us and every corner daring us to go faster. And yes, if we fall off, gravity wins. Buckle up, this is going to be wild and slightly terrifying.
Okay. Yeah, let's have some fun. So cool. I love Miatas. I love Miatas. I also used to own one. It was an NC, not an ND. And now, wow, these views. Lucky for us, no oncoming cars, so we can overtake pretty easily. There, I see a safe spot to overtake. For everyone thinking I drive too slow, I like to drive fast in the corners where it's 80, because look at this corner. It's actually 80 kilometers an hour allowed in this corner. And me putting out videos on the internet is not really a good idea to put myself out speeding. So I'd rather take it a bit chill on the straights and follow the rules. And for me, the fun is pushing these rules in these corners, because you're not able to drive 80 in these corners. Wow, guys, the roads, the views, everything is so nice. That was Grimselpass. Now we're gonna go up to Furkapass. Someone broke down. That's a shame. Yeah, my tires definitely need replacement after this summer. Also, I think my front pads, they are wearing. Are so much fun. And to be honest, Sustenpass is still my favorite because the corners are so tight. The landscape though, insane. I love Switzerland. It's just so much fun. The mechanical grip also of this car is so good. It's exactly made for these type of roads with the hairpins, tight corners, small roads. I wouldn't want to drive something like a Ferrari or or any kind on these type of roads. Maybe these are okay, these are fine. But the other roads you see me drive with only one lane, no middle line, probably too sketchy with such a wide car. It's much more fun. You have much more G-force without cutting corners, much tighter curves, much more interesting. Yeah, we have two slower-ish bikers in front of us. That's okay. Oh, okay. Let's leave some space. Yes, he's doing the exact same. Also really hope you enjoy the views, guys. Well, I almost need to switch to first gear here. Limiter, never hurt anyone. Okay, here the famous hotel, Belvedere. You've probably already seen in pictures or on the internet. Very nice spot. But I think the parking here is going to be crowded and we won't have any space, I think. Oh, the Ferrari is coming. Gotta love a good old 488 Ferrari. The parking is way too crowded, so we're gonna continue. Oh, that was a Camaro. That's the thing with doing videos and YouTube. You're just the slowest out of everyone because you have to set up the cameras and everything. But it's okay. Up here on this altitude the car has less power because the air density is much lower. Okay, here they are. They're so nice waiting for me. Thank you! Yeah, this road is a bit more sketchy. It has no middle line, which means, yeah, in a Ferrari or something I wouldn't want to drive this because I prefer a narrower car on these type of roads, which is the Elise. Hope you enjoy the content, guys. If yes, consider subscribing. Please leave a like or a nice comment. Wow, these views, insane. You can see the road is pretty sketchy, especially in a low and wide car. I'd say the uphill of this would actually be better. I also don't have much battery left on my cameras, which means I need to watch out and charge them when I have time. But again, if you're in a group, you're always in a rush. Wow. Wow, nice of this van. So sick. Yeah, we could drive faster actually. Gotta love these Swiss roads, man. Braking. Out of the corner, accelerating. Woo! Wow, look at that waterfall. That's surely glacier water. Hope you can hear the pops and the nice sounds from the exhaust on that microphone. Oh, I got sprayed. Well, well, well. Otherwise, I'm gonna get some replacement batteries. That's a nice guy. The road is also pretty rough up here. It's not in the best condition. That's also adding to the fun factor a little bit. Get thrown around. Wow. Short shift, never hurt anyone. Wow. Heel toe. I need to hold back a little bit for the guys in front of me. But still, we have a good pace. I think for 4 people, the pace is pretty good. I'm gonna leave some space. Sometimes so I can thrash the corners a bit more. But yeah, also potent cars. Porsche, Spider and the Miata. BMW also pretty sick. We can have fun in a lot of cars, guys. Wow, those views are insane. I'm glad this car is so narrow. Wow, that looked sketchy, those tire marks from someone that almost fell from the side. And the service on this car is also due. Need to do a service, replace the front brake pads, and just get a whole check over of the car, because there are some sounds that start building, and I just want to make sure that mechanically or technically the car is in perfect condition. The paint can have chips, I don't really care. It's a car to be used for, but I would like a car to work. For all the people saying Lotus, lots of trouble, usually serious, I actually don't agree. I've had this car for over a year now and it never broke down on me and never had anything. One thing, I had to change the timing belt, but yeah, after 40,000 kilometers with a car like this, that's kind of normal. Such a cool ride out. Today is such a good day. You can see the Miata in front of us, the road is pretty bumpy. Make some space so I can thrash the corner. But the camera just told me it's gonna turn off in a couple seconds, so if you enjoyed this video, guys, leave a like, drop a comment on what car you would take up this road or down this road, basically. Okay, not peace yet, the camera is still going, so let's use that. Wow, but that was actually nice, this road without a lot of traffic, super sick. I love this road. That was sick. Now, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.